Struggling to download or install Minecraft Launcher from the Microsoft Store? You're not alone. In this video, I'll walk you through step-by-step solutions to fix this issue and get Minecraft up and running. Let's get started. First, open the Start menu and search for Microsoft Store. Right-click on it and select App Settings. Scroll down and click Terminate. Then click Repair, and finally, click Reset. This will refresh the Microsoft Store and often resolve download issues. Next, go back to the Start menu and search for Settings. Click on System, then Storage, and select Temporary Files. Make sure everything is selected, then click Remove Files and confirm by clicking Continue. Clearing temporary files can free up space and fix download errors. For the third step, search for Check for Updates and click on it. Install any available updates for your computer. Outdated system files can sometimes interfere with the Microsoft Store. Now search for date and time settings. Ensure your correct time zone is selected and turn on Set Time automatically. Click Sync Now to confirm. Then click Language and Region and make sure your correct language is selected. Incorrect time or language settings can cause issues with downloads. Next, search for VPN settings and open it. Make sure you're not connected to any VPN, as this can interfere with the Microsoft Store. Finally, open the Microsoft Store again. Click on your profile icon in the top right corner, then click Sign Out. Sign back in and try downloading Minecraft Launcher again. If it still doesn't work, restart your computer. After the restart, all the steps you completed earlier should fix the problem. And that's it. These steps should help you fix the Minecraft Launcher download or installation issue on the Microsoft Store. If this video helped you, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.